TikTok on top surpasses Google as most visited website. Cloudflare has declared them the new winner. In February 17th, 2021, they held the top spot, but for only a day. They continued to gain more days on top of that in March and May as well. By August 10th of 2021, it was leading on most days. Part of the rising success of this could be attributed to Biden lifting the ban on TikTok that Trump previously had in place. The ban was lifted in June. More than 1 billion users sign in to TikTok monthly, primarily teens and children. The top 10 visited websites in 2021, according to Cloudflare, are TikTok, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, Twitter, and WhatsApp. There's genuinely some surprising ones to me on there. I'm kind of surprised how low YouTube is. Microsoft being so high is very weird to me. Top 10 visited website, Microsoft. Odd. I know like MSN.com would be the default for Edge browser, but like genuinely not that many people run that anymore. It's very interesting. Discussion question is, will the older generation eventually take over TikTok like it did with Facebook, or will it simply die like Vine? I don't think it's going to die like Vine. It might. I know a number of people, including myself. I avoided installing TikTok up until this news came out. And I was like, man, if it's more popular than Google, I don't want to be too much of a boomer, so I should probably just install it. So I installed it, and then I opened it once, and I closed it, and I haven't opened it again.
TikTok?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
I just don't really care.
I saw this TikTok. It was like how girls pick up clothes, and she was all like, "Okay, here's how sexy girls do it," and she's like, "Da, da, da," and then she's like, "Here's how I do it," and she picks it up with her foot and goes like this. And it was like, it entertained me for about 9 seconds. That was good.
Yeah.
I have to admit, I haven't really looked at it since then, though.
I was just saying, I know both myself and a few other people have installed it since this news came out. Just deciding, like, you know what, if it's passing Google, I don't want to be that much of a boomer. I do really question how this data is tracked and stuff. I haven't read into it super deeply.
I mean, it's Cloudflare, so you'd think they've done like a fair bit of due
Probably a
diligence.
pretty good job. But, like, are they really capturing all the times? Like, are they counting, if I search on my phone by not opening a website, but just typing in the search and search that way, or search with voice or something like that, is that counting?
I don't know.
Probably not.
You know who's great, though,
maybe.
on
I don't know.
TikTok? So I had no idea that she was a TikToker at all because I don't know TikTok, but she's local. Her name's Call Me Chris. Well, her name's Chris, but her handle is Call Me Chris. And so as part of, like, I think I should vet people that we collab with from now on. So I was like, hey, what's she like? She's hilarious.
Cool.
She's, like, local. We're going to do a video with her probably sometime January, February.
Nice.
She's had a lot of the same problems as me. That's what's delayed the collab, because just construction and permit nightmare. She's like moving into a new place or something. So we want to set up her new place with like this ultimate gamer space.
Nice.
So she can get more into streaming and stuff like that.
Cool.
And so we like announced it 2 or 3 months ago, and people were like, "Hey, are you guys ever going to do that collab with Call Me?" Yes. So we've
been busy.
Yeah, we've only like had one call talking about it, and then some of the guys on my team have kind of worked on sort of laying out the space and what it's going to look like. But because it's not finished, we can't do it. So we're definitely still working with her. She's amazing. So there you go. That's one worthwhile thing to watch on TikTok, or you can do what I did and just go on her YouTube channel and just watch the compilations.
Yeah.
I don't get TikTok.
Are you surprised? Okay, are you surprised by this list? Because I kind of was. TikTok number 1.
Yeah.
Google number 2. Facebook number 3. Yeah, Microsoft.
Sorry, wait, what? Does that include like Microsoft Live services, like Xbox, or like Microsoft? I mean, is Hotmail still a thing?
Yes.
I mean,
Well, it's
I
Outlook.
know.
Yeah. Yeah. Apple is next, then Amazon, then Netflix, then YouTube.
Why do people? Okay, so here's something that confuses me a little bit. Why do people need to go to Apple's website?
Yeah, I don't know. This is what like I don't know what all this
Like,
is.
does this include like Siri queries?
That,
You know what I mean? Like,
I don't know. I haven't dove into this
iCloud,
enough. But
iCloud
like,
uploads.
I feel like I'm seriously missing some intense information because like Apple existing there at all is weird. Is the App Store? Does that count?
Lego Panda 4 and Twitch. Telemetry. That's half the Microsoft traffic.
And Apple.
Oh, no.
Man. Yeah, Amazon, then Netflix. I'm genuinely surprised that Netflix gets more visits than YouTube. Seems kind of weird to me.
Yeah, is this in gigabytes or is this in
like what is
query
this?
count? Because yeah, App Store, Jaden says, yeah, App Store could be huge. But like is that a visit or is that like to me visiting Facebook, like the kind of interaction you're going to do on Facebook should not count the same as visiting the App Store and like downloading an app. That's not, in my mind anyway, that's not the same kind of interaction with a service or with a website.
So I just brought up Cloudflare's page on this. In
Yeah,
2021, the internet went
I gotcha.
for TikTok Space and beyond. I scrolled down, kept going, blah, 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 blah. Top 10 most popular domains, which is a little bit more specific. And then it's
Okay.
Microsoft.com specifically.
Mills Jonah on Floatplane says it's DNS queries.
Yeah, because it's the second they said domains,
Okay.
I was like, oh,
So basically, it's really not that meaningful then.
no,
All right.
it's not.